Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name's Nicola and welcome. And today's video is going to be February's unboxing of Glossybox. This is what the box looks like. Look how cute it is. And this is what it says. It's all about, and then a love heart. So yeah, let's get into it. For anybody that doesn't know what Glossybox is, it is a monthly subscription box which costs £10 a month with £2.95 shipping. If anyone is interested, you can get 10% off your box using my link, and I will leave it down in the description box if you're interested. You get up to 5 full size and deluxe size products ranging from makeup to skincare. So yeah, let's jump into it. And this is how it is. It looks like that. We've got white ones this time, which looks really nice. So what I see is these two, and I'm hoping that this isn't one of our products, that this is just an extra. Yeah, it is. His and Her treats. So we have the Alien Fusion Perfume and Alien Man Fusion. So that's the ladies. So, oh, that smells really nice, I have to say. That is really nice. I'm not usually keen on the Alien perfume, but that smells really nice, that one. And this is the men's. Oh, the men's one's definitely better. That's really nice. Really nice. The Alien perfume at 30ml is £49. And the Alien Man Fusion is £47 for a 50ml. And the next item is this. And this is a Luxie brush. Oh, this is the first time I've actually tried a Luxie brush, which that's really exciting. I've heard really good things about these brushes. This is a medium fan face brush. Show yourself some love by adding a little shimmer to your complexion with this perfectly sized fan brush. Its unique shape makes applying powdered highlighters effortlessly. Sweep it across your cheekbones, brow bones, cupid's bow and nose for a flawless finish. And they say that this retails for £15. This is what it looks like, if you could see it. And yeah, it feels nice and soft. So yeah, I can't wait to try that one out. Next item is this. And this is multivitamin mask. Achieve a breathtaking complexion with this pampering Korean face mask. Formulated with nourishing vitamins, it moisturises and hydrates dry skin for a healthy glow. Apply to cleansed skin, leave for 20 minutes, gently remove, then pat your face to absorb the remaining essence. And this retails for £4.99. The next one is this. And this is Status Ready Nail Varnish. Long lasting and super glossy, this sultry nail polish is a fabulously intense deep cherry red hue. Better yet, it boasts an expertly designed brush that perfectly fits the shape and width of your nail. Giving yourself an immaculate manicure has never been easier. This retails for £15, and yeah, I like that looks like a really nice. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I've got it all over my finger. But it's just to give you an idea of the colour. So yeah, that's really nice. The next item is this. This is Enamel Science Advanced Toothpaste. Huh. Toothpaste. That's a bit random, is it not? Saying that, it is Valentine's Day soon, so this is about love. You brush your teeth so that you've got fresh breath for when you have that Valentine's Day kiss. Maybe that's what it is. So yeah. Strange. There's nothing more charming than a nice smile. Give your teeth a sprush with this regenerating strength and enamel mineral restoring toothpaste, boasting unique NR5 ingredients. It reverses the early enamel erosion process while giving you pearly white teeth and fresh minty breath. And this is a deluxe mini and it is worth £2.50 and the full size is 75ml at £10. Toothpaste, okay. And our last item is this Huda Beauty lip pencil, and my shade is Venus, and I am 100% positive that I have the Venus liquid lip, which I'm actually wearing. So yeah, that's really good. I was wondering if I was going to get the right shade. So, Lip Contour by Huda Beauty. We just love this flirty lip contour from beauty expert Huda Katan. Waterproof and transfer free. It glides on effortlessly to give your pout an intense shot of colour. Use it to both contour and colour your lips, or pair it with Huda Beauty's liquid matte lipstick for a beautiful matte finish. Channel your inner goddess glosses. Pout perfection awaits. And this retails for £16. Swatch this on the back of my hand. So that's what it looks like. Yeah, it feels nice and creamy. I'm really happy that it's the shade for the liquid lip I've got, so that's really good. And that is everything we have in our box this month. Look at the mess of my fingers. I don't even think I've got nail varnish remover. So that's everything we have in this month's box, and it was good. The only thing I'm a bit confused about is the toothpaste. I would have rather something better than toothpaste, to be quite honest, even if it was a nice lip balm or something to get your lips ready for your Valentine's kiss, but toothpaste? Yeah, that's a bit random, I have to say. But other than the toothpaste, everything seems quite nice. I'm quite excited about trying a Luxie brush for the first time and also using the lip liner, which is really nice. So yeah, I'm quite chuffed with the box. I could forgive the toothpaste for the getting the aftershave and the perfume, I suppose, but yeah, if you're interested in getting this box, as I said, I will leave my link down below and you're free to use it and you'll get money off your first box. So anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a like, and if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. And thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye!